Okay, moment of truth. So I've wiped it down, scuffed some bit, wiped it down again, wiped it a little bit more. I've also did the bumpers. I took this outside, and the adhesive promoter actually did a really good job. So I've also cleaned this up and scuffed it up and everything else. So this is everything is now ready to paint, and for that I am going to use this quick drying isolator. I got 2 cans of it. It's white, so it's going to be interesting, the color of the car. I got the compressor hoses lined up so I have enough to go around the car, and I've also trying to get, at least a fighting chance, got the floor wet, got the entry of the garage wet, did the grass, everything is wet so that when wind comes in, because we do get some wind gushes, we don't get dust all over the car. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply this tack rag on the car one more time and then start painting. So let's get to it. Well, disclaimer, this is not going to be perfect. I know that I don't have the facilities to do so. This is as much as makeshift as I could get. So yeah, let's just spray and pray, as they say. Okay guys, sorry for not showing the rest, but I ran out of battery while I was painting and then just couldn't get everything to charge. So everything is painted. The only thing missing is clear coat. So I was saying, the only thing missing is the clear coat. You might have noticed on the video of me doing the first coat, you'd see a lot of like stripes around, like tiger stripes. The solution for that is what they call a drop coat. Basically, you increase the pressure on your paint gun, and you literally, instead of painting it close, you just pull your gun out, and then you just literally let the paint drop, which is nice because it gives you like this little nice shiny flaky look into it. Now, I need to give another coat here because it's a bit clearer. Missed that one. Oh, that's a bummer. Alright then, let's get to it. Okay, and within all of this mess, this is my clear coat. So I got 2 bottles of the 60/30 2K clear coat with the hardener. This mixes in a 2-to-1, which means that we're gonna have to use these little cups. These cups here, they have the measurements, and the thing is, this is medium speed hardener, so I'm gonna have to do multiple mixes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill the cup, give a coat to the car, see if I can do a full coat on it, and see how it goes. And there it is, fully painted. Even the headlights look nice with the clear coat. It's not, there are some areas which you know, due to the lack of having a proper space, could have been a bit better. This one here is just this is actually not in the paint, it's just like dirt that got stuck to it, up to the last layer of clear coat, because this plastic here kept on flying against the wall. Against the car. Some dust that landed on the final layer of clear coat, but that can be sanded and polished or buffed. I'm not worried about it. And yeah, so this is what happens when you don't have the proper places to paint. But I am super happy with the bumpers. Would you look at that? Much better in blue than in black. Right, so I need now to take this before the clear coat gets too okay. One down. Okay, sorry my camera turned off by accident, but there you go. See, kind of like it with the black and the blue like that. Me likey. The front bumper also very pretty. Now I just need to fix the plastic bits at the bottom. Yeah. Either way, I want to thank you all for watching. Now I'm going to be doing some cleaning off camera. I need to clean the guns and everything else. So yeah, not fun. I'll do it out of camera. So either way, as I was saying, thank you all for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.